I learned a lot from it, and so now whenever I have a problem, I don't have to just call this customer service people. I can do it myself.
Like, use your resources. Don't ever make it seem like it's super hard, because it's really not. Use your references, use your teachers, because they do help you out a lot. The people are nice, you just learn a lot, you meet new friends. It's fun, and you get snacks, so yeah.
Good, I got Cisco certification, and I liked it. There was resources to help me. There was other people who were willing to give me a helping hand if I needed it. And there's also good collaboration with other artists. I got a website built. I got my own writing there, short stories going, and I'm gonna start putting videos on it once I get my laptop.
I really appreciated this because it got me a little bit out of my comfort zone and out of my own shell. So it actually helped me improve myself. Keep an open mind to what you will be learning, and do take notes. My name is Madison, and I'm Cisco certified.
I know Willie is Cisco certified. Hi, my name is Andy Beatty, and I am Cisco certified.
My name's ID, and I'm Cisco certified.
Digital connectors, I do it. Why? Because it engages your mind and thought into things of where you usually don't think. Computers we use every day, yet we don't even know how they work. We only know like some things about them, like how to access the internet or how to use apps on them. But with taking a course like this, it helps you understand more about how we use technology and how it works for us. My name is Peter Hasland. I'm 16. I go to CM High School. I am Cisco certified.